All right. Welcome back, everyone, for another deep dive. This time, we're
Yeah.
going to be looking at Excel.
Specifically, keyboard shortcuts.
Yeah. We found this really interesting information
Yeah.
all about keyboard shortcuts, and we're going to be focusing on one in particular.
Yeah, just
It's
one.
going to be a quick one today,
Yeah,
hopefully a valuable one.
definitely.
We think this one can really be a game changer for you.
I mean, if you're out there thinking Excel shortcuts,
Oh, thrilling.
Right.
Riveting stuff.
Riveting stuff.
who really cares?
But trust us,
This one,
it's worth it.
yeah,
It's worth sticking around for.
you'll thank us later.
So we're talking about the F6 key.
The mighty F6.
So what does that do?
So F6 is really cool. It lets you cycle through the different areas of the Excel interface,
Okay.
like between your worksheet, the ribbon, the formula bar, and the status bar.
So it's kind of like switching between those different sections.
Yeah, and you don't even have to touch your mouse,
Oh, okay.
which can be
So that's where the efficiency comes in.
yeah, especially when you're working with large workbooks or complex spreadsheets.
Yeah, I can imagine, like,
Yeah.
if you're in a spreadsheet
Yeah,
and you're going back and forth between putting in data, maybe doing some formulas.
looking at the status bar down at the bottom.
Yeah, you don't want to keep,
Right, having to reach for your mouse all the time
yeah, it's like,
and switching back and forth.
yeah, just constantly going between the two.
Yeah, and think about all the time you save
Well,
by
yeah.
not doing that.
It's probably seconds at a time.
It adds up.
It would add up.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, I know I've been guilty of that.
And I'll give you a bonus tip.
Okay.
If you use Shift plus F6, it'll cycle you backwards
Oh,
through those areas.
So you can go forward and backward.
Exactly.
That's cool.
So you have even more flexibility.
It's amazing. Like,
Right.
something so simple can have that much impact on your workflow.
A well-designed shortcut
Yeah.
can do wonders for your productivity.
Yeah, definitely. So I guess that's it for this deep dive.
Yeah, that's our F6 deep dive.
It's a small shortcut,
Small but mighty.
but it can make a really big difference
Huge.
in how you use Excel.
So, yeah, next time you're working on a spreadsheet, remember F6.
Yeah, give it a try.
Yeah.
It can become your new best friend.
Your new Excel bestie.
So it makes you think,
Yeah.
like, what other shortcuts are out there
Another program.
that we could be using
Waiting to be discovered.
that we don't even know about?
I can make our lives so much easier.
Right.
Please.
Yeah.
Mm,
I guess that's something to think about.
yeah. Food for thought.
All right. That's it for this deep dive.
See you next time.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Bye.